Today I'm making some green banana oats porridge. So you can see I have some green banana, a tin of condensed milk, a nutmeg, some vanilla, some pound oats. Now I'm going to cut up the banana, pour in some soak oats, some coconut milk, and blend it. As you can see, it's blend. Now I have some water with 2 pimento leaves on the fire. You can also use cinnamon leaf if you choose to. Now I'm going to pour in the mixture and stir at the same time because you don't want to be lumpy. And keep and stir. Now I'm going to pour in a tablespoon of vanilla and stir. Grate half of nutmeg. A pinch of salt to taste. Then stir. And then sweeten it with my condensed milk. And sweeten it well so the milk mix out. And there's my green banana oats porridge.